Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a simple Dollar Tree DIY. This just cost me a few dollars, but before we get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So today we're going to be making this cup holder I created using the post office figurine for the little town that you could do for Christmas season. So I wanted to create this for my dad for Hanukkah for his desk. If you guys want to see how I created this little cup holder for your pens and pencils, just stay with me, it's going to be real simple. For this project, I'm going to be using this Ready Board foam board. I'm going to be using this post office figurine from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to be using this extra piece of random fabric I had laying around from a prior project I made my dad a zippered pouch with. I'm also going to be using these wire brads. They're from the hardware store. They say number 19 by ½ inch, and some of the Ilene's glue and my glue gun. You're going to need one wall that sits right above this gray part of the base the post office is on, so that the other 3 walls are all flush and even. So you're going to have 4 walls and a base, and then we're going to start covering all of these pieces of cardboard with our fabric. I decided to use the Ilene's craft glue on the whole side of the foam board that is going to be exposed to the outside, because if you use hot glue it could make it bumpy. When I flipped it over and folded up the ends, I was trying to use the Ilene's glue, but it actually worked a little bit better to use a little hot glue, and we're going to cover up this messy part. And we're going to cover up the messy part by using a fabric panel you'll see next. Using my pinking shears so the edges don't fray, I cut out a panel to glue down on top of the messy part of each of the walls. So I didn't worry about that for the base, because as you see, the post office is going to cover it, and then the pencil cup holder is going to cover the remainder. I'm going to be using some E6000 and hot glue to affix the post office to my cardboard base. I'm using a generous amount of the E6000 and hot glue, and the hot glue will help it stick into place immediately. In the end, I actually decided to make one of the panels for the base that will be under the pencils. It really doesn't matter, it's up to you. I doubt anyone's sticking their head right inside your pencil cup holder, but I decided to finish mine off. So now I'm ready to glue my first wall, and that's the wall that's going to go right onto the post office. I'm going to be using a generous amount of E6000 and hot glue as well for this wall. And as you can see here, it's going to sit right above that gray original base that you see right here. Now I'm ready to attach the 2 sides and the back wall. We need to make sure we line up our edge of the side walls to the edge of the wall that we just attached to the post office, because we're going to be adding the wire brads up the sides to keep this cup holder in place real tight and secure. First, I'm going to hot glue my 2 sides on, and then I'll insert the brads, and then after that I'll get to the back wall. The wire brads look to me like tiny little nails. As you see here, you need to use a pair of pliers to poke it in to your cardboard. I decided to add some strips of leather and buttons just to finish it all off, and this is the finished product, guys. Alright guys, that's it for this little DIY tutorial on how to make your own pencil cup holder using one of those cute figurines. If you like this video, please give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!